Every crashed car has a history. Today, I will show you how we bring these damaged vehicles back to life step by step. The first step is installing the wheels so the car can stand on its own. This gave us a stable base to move the car safely and continue the repair process with better control and accuracy. So now the car is on its feet and I'm going to reassemble the front part of the car. So now there are some bolts that they are connecting to the machines, and also there are some accessories like support above or maybe below of the radiators. There are some supports that we have to tie all the belts. Then mounting the radiator in place and then installing wired cable of the fan and also radiator and adding then the pipe of radiator. So then we have to tighten all the bolts of radiator to making it strong in place. So nothing now left about the radiator. Just now we have to add upper radiator support to connecting radiator completely to the frame of the car and make it secure and strong. So now the front part is finished and we are going to the backward of the car and start repairing, putting the backing headlights, bumpers, everything that needs. Finally, we finished repairing of the car, and it is the last part. It means washing the car.